Did you know you can make money just by playing games on your phone? That's right. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 amazing Android apps that let you earn cash while having fun. Whether you're a casual gamer or just looking for a side hustle, these apps are perfect for you. Let's dive in. I'll be covering Heycash, Justplay, Bestplay, and Fivesurveys. I'll explain how each app works, how much you can earn, and share some tips to maximize your earnings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. App 1. Heycash. Heycash is a rewards app that lets you earn money by completing simple tasks like playing games, taking surveys, and watching videos. It's super easy to use and perfect for beginners. Download Heycash from the Google Play Store, sign up, and start exploring the tasks. You'll earn points for every task you complete, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. While you won't get rich, you can earn a decent amount for your time. For example, playing a game for 10 minutes might earn you 50 to 100. It's a great way to kill time and make some extra cash. Tips: check the app daily for new tasks and focus on the ones that offer the highest rewards. App 2. Justplay. Justplay is a gaming app that rewards you for playing casual games like puzzles, solitaire, and arcade games. It's perfect if you love gaming and want to earn money at the same time. Download Justplay, choose a game, and start playing. You'll earn coins for every minute you play, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. You can earn around 10 to 50 per hour, depending on the game. It's not a huge amount, but it adds up over time. Tips: play consistently and take advantage of bonus offers to maximize your earnings. App 3. Bestplay. What is Bestplay? Bestplay is another gaming app that rewards you for playing popular mobile games. It's similar to Justplay but offers a wider variety of games. Download Bestplay, select a game, and start playing. You'll earn points that can be redeemed for cash or prizes. Earnings potential: you can earn around 20 to 100 per hour, depending on the game and your skill level. Tips: focus on games you enjoy and check the app regularly for new opportunities. App 4. Fivesurveys. Fivesurveys is a bit different from the other apps. Instead of playing games, you earn money by completing surveys. However, it's still a great way to make money on your phone. Download Fivesurveys, sign up, and start taking surveys. Each survey takes about 5-10 minutes to complete, and you'll earn cash for your opinions. Earnings potential: you can earn around 50 to 200 per survey, depending on the length and complexity. Tips: be honest in your responses and complete your profile to get more survey opportunities. Tips for maximizing earnings: use multiple apps at the same time to increase your earnings. For example, play games on Justplay while waiting for surveys on Fivesurveys. Check the apps daily and complete tasks regularly to build up your earnings. Some apps offer bonuses for cashing out at certain amounts, so wait until you reach those thresholds. And that's it. Those are my top 4 apps for making money by playing games and completing surveys on Android. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just want to earn some extra cash, these apps are a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Kolara Vibes for more tips on making money online. Also, let me know in the comments which app you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.